Hello everyone, my name is Hers and today we are talking about a Drippler. Drippler is a software where you can build your email list and send them a beautiful email via automation. Now you can also build your website on a Dripper. You can also create a physical product landing page on a Drippler. I will give you the every information about a Drippler. If you would like to buy this product after getting this information, then just go through my bonus page. I have created some amazing bonuses for you. Now, and one surprise bonus is for you. If you would like to know about that, what is my bonuses, then stay tuned with this video. I will give you the every information about my bonuses in just a second. Let's go to the Drippler. Here is the official website of a Drippler. Build a massive profitable email list and send unlimited beautiful emails 24 by 7 with zero hassle for a low one-time fee. You can only pay a one-time, not a recurring. The unique trigger action based email marketing technology. Tap into a profitable email business, no product or service required. 100% stunning done for you templates for all your list building needs. Drag and drop lead page, pop-up and email builder. They have a 3 steps to start a build a email list and turn into the profit. Upload upload or more Drippler at a time and let Drippler optimize them for faster delivery. The look and feel of the player in just a few clicks to use it for your brand, your Drippler or any websites or landing page and watch your customer engagement, sales and profit rolling in fast. Nothing to download or install. It's a software based, cloud based software. Drippler gives you everything you need to build a profitable email marketing business. Now I will show you. The Dr. Amit Parekh is created this amazing software Drippler when you can send a unlimited mail to your subscriber or to your customers and you can earn a lot of money. You can also engage your audience. Now I will show you a more. I need full control over my online business. You can full control of your online business. What is Drippler all about? It's all about complete email marketing platform, full control on your list and business, exclusive marketing automation, no worries of paying monthly, 50 plus more cool features. Now I will show you more. No coding or design required, no technical stuff required, no installation. It's a cloud based software. Here are some review of the customer. We can say the testimonial of the real customers. It had been proven technology. Check out the demo of a Drippler. Guys, if you need the more information about a Drippler, then just go to my bonus page. My bonus page link is given into the description and click on this orange button. You can directly go to the official website of a Drippler. Now I would like to give you the more information about the members area of a Drippler. Let's go to the members area of a Drippler where you can sell your product, memberships and more. Just click on a new product, click on a physical product and fill the all information about your physical product. They create your landing page and your page will be ready for the publish. Just fill all the information. Then if you would like to build a website, then just click on a websites plus new websites and fill all the information. You can directly go to the your website will be ready to publish in just 2 or 3 minutes. Now I will show you the audience segments. You can, sorry guys, I am not able to use this because I am not upgrading this version. Your list will be shown at here. You can see your list at here. You can send them unlimited mails. Now I will show you analytic. You can see the total visitors, audience and contacts and conversion in this analytic for about your landing page, funnel, video and pop-up bar and mails. Guys, it's amazing software. I will give you the every information about the Drippler. Now I would like to show you the more information about my bonuses. Let's go to my bonus page. My bonus number 1 is get instant content creator software. In this software you can help you this software is help you to make a killer article that boosts your profit quickly and effectively. You can easily create your content in just a 5 to 10 minutes. Now bonus number 2 is get article indexer pro software. This software will help you insert your article into a pre-designed web pages and upload them to the web in the fast manner and get the best result. You can get the best result using this software. Now the get lead generation on demand, my bonus number 3. Now in this bonus you can generate a lesser targeted lead for your offers and make the most of them to boost your success. This is the amazing software guys. This is the amazing course. You can use this course for generate a lead. Now the bonus number 4 is the surprise bonus. Yes guys, it's a surprise bonus. If you buy this link from my description, if you buy this product from my description link, then my team will deliver the surprise bonus in just a 24 hours. Yes guys, just the 24 hour. Now why we offer this surprise bonus? Because just imagine when you are a 10-year-old boy and your father give you a surprise gift on your birthday. Just feel that feeling. Amazing, na? We would like to give you an exact feeling. Now if you are looking for this product, then just go through my bonus link and access my all bonuses and my surprise bonus. Now how you can claim your surprise bonus. I will show you. If you purchase this product from my description link, then you can see this type of interface. You can just click on a access affiliate bonus. After clicking on a access affiliate bonus, you can see my bonus team mail ID on my access bonus page. You can just go to your Gmail and mail to my bonus team. I purchased Drippler. Please send me a surprise bonus. And my bonus team mail ID is delivered a surprise bonus in just a 24 hours. This is amazing guys. If you are looking for this product, just go through my bonus link. You can get your surprise bonus in just a 24 hours. Now I will give you the all information about the Drippler. Now I will give you the more information about the prices and upsells. Now front end price of a Drippler is Drippler Pro Personal is $47. Drippler Elite is $37 per month and $197 one time. You can add unlimited contact for all your mail list, no restriction at all. You can erase the all restriction in this upgrade Drippler Elite. Now the Drippler Lite is $67. At 3 times more, up to 1 lakh for all your mail list. You can, if you need more information about upsells and prices and features of the upgrades, then just go to my bonus page. I put the all information about the upgraded I put the all information about the Drippler and upgraded version of a Drippler. Drippler Enterprise Personal is $47. Advanced Analytics for boosting your email campaign ROI. Unlimited A/B testing for email campaigns. Choose the best performer. Drippler Business Drive is $47. You can also purchase a Drippler Data Compal premium membership. It's $147 per month. You can also buy this for a one-time payment of $700. You can also pay at an installment $267 per month and the 3 installments. Now guys, I will give you the every information about the prices, upsells and enough information to buy this product Drippler. If you need more information about a Drippler and the upgraded version of a Drippler, then just go to my bonus page. I put every information about the Drippler on my bonus page. If you are looking for this product, then just go through my bonus link. You can access my all bonuses and you can get the one surprise bonus in just a 24 hours. This is amazing opportunity for you and this is the amazing product. Now if you like this video or if you like my bonuses, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.